This is a quick tutorial on how to access our journals and magazines which are available through our proprietary databases which we have licensed. This is content we pay for. It's not available on the public internet, and it's only available to holders of a Dallas Public Library card. So let's proceed. The first thing to note is here on the navigation bar you have a My Account link which you can use to log into your account, or in this case we can click on the databases link, and right here at the top of the page it says a valid library card is required to log into these databases. So if you haven't already done that, use the link at the top of the page. Click on it, and now you'll enter your 14-digit library card, or if like me you've already created a username using this link here, then enter the username that you created. Next, enter your 4-digit PIN number. If you don't know what your PIN number is, you can ask the circulation staff at any one of our locations, or simply call the main library circulation number, which is 214-670-1740, and they can reset that PIN for you. Once you've entered the information, click Login. Now you'll see we have databases by category, such as business and professional resources, health and medicine, and so forth. And we also have a complete list in alphabetical order. So if you weren't certain which database to search, I recommend coming here to the TDNet Journal Locator. It's a finding tool. It doesn't cover all of our resources, but maybe about 80% or so. So all we have to do here is type the name of the journal or magazine we're looking for. Click on the search bar. The search will run, and it shows me it's actually in access through multiple databases. The first one here is Master File Premier, which is under the EBSCO company name, under the EBSCO family of databases. And I can see here that that has coverage from January of 1991 to the present. I happen to know that this is actually the most comprehensive resource for Consumer Reports. And also we have Consumer Reports Buying Guide in the same database. So that's where we'll go. I'm closing out this window, returning to my alphabetical list of databases. I'm going to come down to EBSCO Host. This is a family of databases. So I click on EBSCO Host, and let me just maximize my window so we can see a little bit better. And I notice that by default the Master File Premier link or family of databases, this one is checked. So we'll stay with that. We'll click on Continue. At this point I have two ways to find the journal. I can come down here into the publication field, type the name Consumer Reports, and then I can go up on the search box toward the top of the page and type a keyword, in this case vacuum. I click search, the search runs, and here it's bringing back and showing me articles. Here's the March 2011 issue where they had an article about vacuums. I see some images which are reproduced down here, and then there's a PDF full text version of the article. If I click on that, you will see as it opens up that this will be showing me a virtual facsimile of what that article actually looked like in Consumer Reports. I can also go over here to my right, click on Email, and it opens a box, and I can use this form to email the item to myself. So that's one way to search for the item. I'm going to go back to my result list by using the arrow up here at the upper left and return to my search. Now here inside of EBSCO Host at the top in the blue navigation bar, I can either return to the search interface and do a new search, or I can click on Publications. And that's what we're going to do. Click on Publications. Now when I search this time, I'm not going to search Master File Premier. I'm coming down to the second search box for Publications, and I'm going to type my title, Consumer Reports. Click Browse, and here we are. At the top of my list is Consumer Reports, and under that are the Buyer's Guides. Now when I click on this link, what I see on my right is a menu of all issues, and starting with the most recent ones at the top. If I click on 2011 to expand the issues, here I am in date descending order. I have the complete issue of Consumer Reports, and here's the most recent one. So I have multiple pages of content of articles. So as I proceed through the list, I will see that pretty much the entire magazine is available, and by using the PDF full text links you can actually see the article right here online. So you can access this from the comfort of your own home. It's very convenient. It's one of the major benefits of being a Dallas Public Library card holder. If you have any questions, you can feel free to either send us an email at librarycustomerservice@dallaslibrary.org or by calling your local branch or the central library